Hi, this is Abdul and you're watching another unboxing video. So this month was a really busy month for me with Baselworld and everything. I had watch fever, bought several watches. Actually, I sold one yesterday and this one is still, I'd leave it as a surprise for you. But this one is one of the watches I actually wanted to get. Not the exact same watch, but the complication. And I didn't find a good offer, to be honest, until last week when I found this watch, and the offer was really good, to be honest. The watch looked terrific, and I thought, why not buy it? If I liked it, I liked it. If not, I'll resell it. So, really well packed. Really appreciate when people pack the watch nicely. So as you can see, it's an Epos. So that's this watch. Really nice, well packed. Great job by the sellers. And the watch is an Epos Regulator. It's a 44 millimeters. It looks like a brand new watch, to be honest. And nice, even with the ticket still. That's really good, really perfect. So it's actually sold as used, but the watch looks to me like brand new, or at least for now at least. I really like the watch. You have to adjust the strap. So as you can see, the watch has an ETA movement, a well decorated, well finished ETA movement. Automatic watch. Looks really nice. So thank you for watching this unboxing and see you in the next one. Please like, subscribe, and of course, if you're interested in this watch or any other watch, just write me, comment, message, and I'll be more than happy to help. Have a great one. Bye bye.